It is really calm. I like the calmness of everything. Like since you walk through the gate, the arc, everything goes like super quiet. Everything here is in silence. You don't hear cars. You don't hear everything. Like in Madrid is really crowded and everything is just noise that you are used to it and you don't realize you have it. So here is everything is quiet.
And yeah, I like the fact that it was, we had a mix of very serious classes, different classes. That also, if you're not too familiar with yoga, you have a good experience because you try vinyasa, then kundalini, then restorative, and it's different every time. So you have the mix of that, and then afternoon, people do what they want. You can go to the beach, you can relax, you can read. There's no judgment, it's just whatever you feel like. And so I think it was a good combo in that sense. Live fully your life and have a happy time and meet new people and eat well.
Like the nice time we had every time was very good and was very special. The moment was very special is like the dinner and being all together around the table and talking and discovering where we are coming from, what we are doing in life, so that was a good moment.
And I want to, know more about the community and get to know people in the area where I live. I live on the island sometimes, on the island of Mallorca and also in Vienna. And when I came to Vienna to do yoga, as a yoga teacher, I just teach my friends at the moment because I don't have the guts to be like Carmen, who is a yoga teacher for many, many years, and I want to collect experience basically and see how people do it and how can I fit in the industry.
Bueno, nada, para mí este fin de semana fue un regalo particular para mí, que creo que es perfecto porque el espacio y la gente y la compañía y la vibra es espectacular. Fue realmente por ello.
Don't think too much, just do it. Here, you have everything here, so so nice.
There's space for everybody.
Yeah.
We were really a cool group, I think. Also, like a really different people, and also different body types and different levels, but
from different nations and countries and different languages. All comes together. So beautiful.
Yes. I won't even let you finish that. Of course I would come back. Hands down, I would come back like anytime. The island is gorgeous. You have been the most amazing hosts ever, and everything is just in place. Like experiences, like my expectations have been fulfilled to the very top, for sure.
Assolutamente sì, assolutamente sì. E poi è bellissimo anche perché siamo, nonostante le diversità che ci sono in questo gruppo, le origini diverse, nonostante i lavori diversi, siamo tutti qui per uno scopo, siamo tutti qui per questo e questo ci mette in connessione. E questa maglietta direi che ho scelto il primo giorno è veramente calzante e quindi sì.